Seinti, wallus, cyfle fan hyn. Aberystwyth yn trio torri, Lewis i'r canol, Darlington. Gweld fod John Owen ar y posti pella. Cyfle i Danny, i Given y rhwyd! Owen ag Aberystwyth yn rhwydo fewn 2 munud. Bas at Darlington, a Darlington yr un ben yn gwybod yn union lle oedd i gyd chreuwyr. I lwybr John Owen, i drydydd o'r tymor, a cyntaf Aberystwyth heno. Mae Canavan te. Taflu pêl beryglus i'r canol, achos mae John Owen a cyrraedd, am ergyd! A Darlington ar yr ail gyfle a'i beniad. Ar amser hyn, wythnos diwetha, mi oedd Aberystwyth yn dathlu gôl yn syth o'r gic-bant yn yr ail hanner yna. Y Barri sy'n ymosod ar ddechrau'r ail hanner. Mae'r ergyd yn berffaith gan Snaith. Wel, fe sgorodd Aberystwyth o fewn munud i ail ddechrau yn yr ail hanner wythnos diwetha. Maen nhw wedi ildio yr wythnos hyn. Gôl dda gan Snaith fe. Osododd e honna yn berffaith rhwng yr amddiffynwyr heibio i Jones ac i mewn i gefn y rhwyd. Oedd ni chwr iddi. Snaith yn gryf yn ei rhan iddi. Mae'n y gyfle fan hyn. Tomlinson! Mae'n ail! Y gorfoledd i'r ymwelwyr. Mi oedd hwnna'n symudiad syml, ond o'n i'n clyfar. A'r ergyd gan Tomlinson yn berffaith heibio i Jones wedi giro dwywaith o fewn munud. Reit ar ddechrau'r ail hanner yma. Hulbert yn troi, trio ryddhau McLagan, cyfle arall, Hulbert. Mas at George. Cyman iddi i'r canol, McLagan! Tair! Wel, yr eilydd yn creu argraff yn syth. Ddim eisiau lot o le ar Cain McLagan, ond oedd digonedd y fe yn y cwrt chwech. Y bêl yn berffaith ar ei ben, a fe wyrodd e honna. Heb unrhyw drafferth heibio'r golwr. Thorn, bach o mynydd yn chwarae Aberystwyth. Ond wedi oedi yn rhy hir. Walsh i cholli ddi, a cyfle fan hyn i'r Barri wrth ymosod. Dyma Hulbert yn torri ti fewn. Y gôl yn agored ar bedwaredd yn cael ei ddaro heibio i Jones. Yr gêm hyn drosodd. Y gwrth ymysodiad fel cyllell trwy fenyn. Y Barri yn symud y bêl yn gyflym yn y pen draw. Oli Hulbert sydd wedi bod yn ddyfal yn ei waith hyn yma gen i chladdu ddi. Bêl gyflym dros ben yr amddiffyn, a dyna lle mae Johnny Evans, dyna lle mae'n gwneud ei waith. Mae wedi claddu honna yn gelfydd. Gôl gysur yn unig yw i Aberystwyth. Mae'r eilydd wedi dychwelyd i goedlan y parc y mis Ionawr yma, ar ei ymddangosiad cynta tymor hyn, i sgori gôl.
And like I said, we can't go from being brilliant to that second half. It's too much up and down. We need consistency. We've had consistency over late, and we've picked the points, and we've been hard to beat. It's just the second half today, which is just lost our way very quickly. And then it's difficult. Once you get 2 goals so back-to-back so quickly, then the tail's up. Yes, it's a tough one. We beat them twice already in the dressing room. They're having to celebrate, and there's a cup final for them. Great, I get it. And it's 10 cup finals for us now.
Well, Jonathan, we've got to ask, what did you say at half-time?
Just to have a bit more purpose, really. I think game was largely the same tactically in both the first and second half, but we showed in the second half that little bit of killer instinct and have a bit more purpose in the final third and take our chances and be ruthless in scoring the 4 goals we did.
That's 4 goals as well in 2 games in a row now as well. Something's happened, is there?
Something we've been working on for a long time, and obviously the players things have clicked in the last 2 games, that we've had that killer instinct in front of goal and scored multiple goals in back-to-back games, which is really pleasing for a big range of our players, because we've had multiple goal scorers across those 2 games.
Even when we did go 1-0 down in the first half, I thought we were still a better team. Obviously we still pinned them in their half, created chances, but obviously we just didn't get that goal. Second half, like we said, we had 2 chances early doors, put two of them in the back of the net, and the game changes, the game opens up then, and obviously we were more clinical, scored 2 more goals, and then we controlled it really, yeah.
4 goals twice in a row. That's a bit of a change as well. You went a bit of a goal drought before that. What's happened there?
It's a difficult one really, because if you think of it, it's all about clean sheets first, and obviously when you base yourself off clean sheets, chances will come and you grow off confidence and score goals. Where we're conceding 1 or 2 sloppy goals, if it goes through the team. So last 2 games we've had 2 clean sheets and we've scored more goals. Whereas today we have conceded 2, but to be fair, we scored 4, which is obviously the most important thing.
For you as a squad and yourself as a captain, it's a big win over a team that was down there in the relegation zone or fighting for relegation, and you now maybe are looking forward towards that 7th spot, are you?
Yeah, that's the message in the change room, you know. Obviously, I think we're like 5 or 6 off 7th now, and obviously, you know, that's a European playoff spot. So that's our main ambition now for the second half of the season after the split. So there's a good morale going through the change room at the minute. So we just got to kick on now and see what phase 2 brings.